One little, two little, three little learners, let's learn with Teacher Joe. Hi kids, it's me again, Teacher Joe. J-O, Joe. What time is it? Tick-tock, tick-tock. It's time to learn. Let's learn nature around us. Kids, we will talk about bird and cat for today. Open your book on page 12. Bird and cat can also be pets, but here we will talk about the bird and cat, the spelling of the word. Okay, so here we have B-I-R-D, bird, and C-A-T, cat. The instruction is write the letters along the dotted lines and color the picture. So first, let's trace letter B for the bird. Start from the top to the bottom and two curved lines going down. That is big letter B. B-I-R-D, bird. Next, C-A-T, cat. Let's trace letter C, big letter C. Correct. That's letter C, C-A-T, cat. Now get your coloring materials and color. Color the tree and the fruits and of course the bird and the cat. Use any color that you like. You can use yellow, red, brown to your liking. So kids, today we talked about the bird and the cat. The bird can fly, the cat goes inside your house or outside your house, and it says meow. Okay, that would be all for today, kids. Good job, kids! You did good today! I hope you learn again with me next time. See you! This is Teacher Joe. Bye-bye!